My name is Raju. I represent Lexicon Mile. We understand the world around through our senses. And today, I am here to discuss about one particular sense, that is the sense of smell. Believe me, the sense of smell has a profound impact. In fact, scientists say that the sense of smell is associated with that part of the brain which is associated with long-term memory. So, whatever you smell, you associate with it. Whatever you smell, there is a memory associated with it. And that forms the basis of a branch of marketing which is very recently evolving, that is called sensory marketing. Let's take a simple example. Back home in South India, 6 o'clock in the morning, you can smell freshly brewed coffee. There is such an upbeat environment about that smell. It is morning, it is positive, there is a lot of energy, and all this coming in from the same freshly brewed coffee. That is the impact of smell. To give you another very mundane, routine kind of an example, let's take your normal bars that are used to clean utensils. The minute you touch the bar, you will realize that there is a smell of lemon coming from it. Now understand, lemon, lime, it is associated with cleanliness of the utensils. And whenever there is a sense of smell of lemon, people will normally perceive that that particular bar is doing the job it is supposed to do. So smell impacts us tremendously. Smell impacts our moods. A long time back, I remember when my grandmother passed away, in her casket, there was a specific type of rose perfume that was put. I still remember that perfume. And I was amazed by the fact that 20 years later, once I was just roaming around the streets of Hyderabad, and I found and I smelled the same perfume, and I could immediately associate it with the death of my grandmother. So that particular smell was something which was negative for me. Smell impacts. So the minute you smell something before you eat, it has already created a sense of positivity in you. This is the beauty of smell. This is the beauty of sensory marketing. That is why when you look at airplanes, they have a very faint aroma, scent, which is normally coming in the minute you board, because they want that sense of the smell of freshness to be associated with that particular brand of airlines. This is the beauty of sensory marketing. This is Raju Verghese representing Lexicon Mile. Please watch this space more for such videos on different aspects of marketing. Thank you.